Living on a pale blue dot on an invisible, extremely large space-time bedsheet seems safe until we are aware of what hides in the reality. We cannot see everything with our naked eye. There are a million ways that could end life on Earth. When we draw down the biggest threats, we have global pandemic, climatic changes, overpopulation, nuclear wars, robots, aliens, and various threats such as human-created threats, Earth's evolutionary threats, and cosmic disasters. In this session of Humans Wipe Out, this episode is all about cosmic disasters that could wipe out life on Earth. Giant asteroids. An invisible guest could bombard the planet at any time. Earth has undergone at least 5 mass extinctions in its history. Earth was heavily bombarded by the asteroids for hundreds of millions of years after it formed. Some impacts can be extremely intense that they could wipe out humanity by causing enormous tsunamis, fires, and natural disasters. There is about a 1 in 100 million chance of a giant asteroid slamming into the Earth in any given year. For example, in our history, slightly less than 66 million years ago, an asteroid struck the Earth that has an estimated diameter of 11 to 81 kilometers. The impact would have caused a mega tsunami. However, with the current technology, we can spot an asteroid big enough to cause extinction before decades. Nearby supernovas. On average, once or twice every 100 years in our Milky Way, we can witness this magic. Supernova explosions take place when a star has reached the end of its life. We are 2/3 away from the center of the Milky Way, where the actual supernovas occur more likely. Our own sun. The person who helps us for a living can kill us one day. The sun is a star, and stars die. Our sun will end its life in 7.5 billion years. Around that time, it will form a planetary nebula with its outer atmosphere. It's a more energetic reaction and will push the sun's layers outward and possibly start pulling Earth towards the sun, or the sun's expansion will also create an extremely strong solar wind that could push Earth out of its orbit. It would die, frozen as a rogue planet. Earth could get showered into a deadly planet. Rogue planets may outnumber stars in the Milky Way by 1 lakh to 1. One of those rogue planets could drift into solar system and destabilize Earth into an extreme and inhospitable orbit. About 4.5 billion years ago, a small planet crashed into a large planet in the solar system that made formation of Earth and its moon. Local gamma ray bursts that could obliterate Earth's atmosphere. Most of the gamma ray bursts are the result of massive stars collapsing when they die. One short blast can emit more energy than our sun will over the course of its lifetime. In fact, the gamma ray burst pointed at Earth might have caused the first mass extinction 440 million years ago. A star system, WR104, that could host such an event is about 5,200 to 7,500 light years away from us.